Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making lobster tails. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 2 lobster tails, 1 stick of butter, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Rinse your lobster tail with cool water, then pat them dry. Now remove the legs, then split them using your shears to expose the meat. Place your lobster tail in your baking dish, then set it aside until later. In a separate bowl, combine your butter and lemon juice. Now add the parsley and garlic, then whisk until well combined. Season the lobster with your paprika, salt, and pepper, then generously coat with your butter mixture. Now transfer your dish to your preheated oven and allow it to cook for 15 minutes or until your lobster has an internal temperature of 140 degrees. If you're looking for a great date night dish, then you must give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.